Today we will make spicy sesame and garlic red chutney from Gujarat, Saurashtra and Kathiawad, without which Dhokla is incomplete. This instant sesame garlic chutney is very easy to make. So for that, we need 20 to 25 garlic buds, 1 tablespoon sesame seeds, half a tablespoon salt, 1 teaspoon sugar, 4 teaspoons Kashmiri red chili powder and 20 ml refined oil. Now let's start making garlic chutney. For this, we will put 8 to 10 garlic cloves and a little salt in the mortar and mix it. Adding salt will cause the garlic to crack quickly and not pop out of the container. We will continue to add salt in this way with few garlic cloves. As you can see that our garlic has started leaving oil. The taste of garlic chutney will not be the same if crushed in mixture. Now our garlic is finely crushed. So to that, we add a teaspoon of sugar in it and mix both the ingredients well. Adding sugar reduces the sharpness of the chutney and the taste will be better. Now add a tablespoon of sesame seeds in the garlic paste and mix it properly. Adding sesame seeds makes the taste of garlic chutney very good. Once sesame gets mixed properly, after that, we will add 1/3 cup of Kashmiri red chili powder. 1/3 is approximately 4 teaspoons. You can also take plain chili instead of Kashmiri chili powder. If you want it more spicy, you can add more of chili powder to it. Kashmiri chili are less spicy and have a nice color. Now that our chutney is ready, we will add a little oil and keep mixing. Adding oil makes the garlic chutney nice and fluffy. You can add more of oil the way you want to keep the chutney thick or thin. Garlic and sesame are rich in fiber. You can store this chutney in the refrigerator for 15 to 20 days. Garlic and sesame help control blood pressure and lower cholesterol. It only takes 5 to 6 minutes to make this garlic chutney. Now serve this chutney into the bowl. A spicy and tasty garlic chutney is now ready to eat. You can also eat this chutney with thepla, bread, boiled moong and boiled cluster bean. And especially Gujarati Dhokla is incomplete without this garlic chutney.